all the students, Maithili, Ishwari, Purva, Yash, the way they presented, way they were confident about their product. So really interesting session, really good session. So thanks to the team, Maithili, Ishwari, Apurva, and Yash, for giving Raha opportunity to listen to you. It was very useful session. Another just kind of thing, some of our alumni are really doing good thing. Last week we also briefly heard from Professor Nilima Kaur madam, who not only donated plasma but also encouraging other people to do the same thing with PM Dada sir and other Sawan sir and our other faculty. So really great work is happening. On the same note, one of our alumni, Rahul Arbune, he had started a COVID healthcare center, and there's a really good work, right? So Manzoor, you want to talk a minute about that one?
Yes, sure, Yogesh. Actually, this Rahul, he's actually very good student of RIT who is involved in RAHA activities also. He is the task force member, and he has always we are discussing about the various issues. And in this present scenario, actually, the everybody knows the need of this availability of the beds and medical facilities, and actually he taken this initiative in this rural area, and now actually it will be a great opportunity for all the people in that region at least uh, to get the medical facilities. So I, on behalf of RIT and RAH, I want to actually congratulate and thank actually to Rahul Arbune for such a great initiative, and I wish all the best for his actually the future journey. Thank you very much, Yogesh.
Thanks, Manzoor. Thanks for explaining it. So coming to today's agenda, I think the agenda title is Journey of RIT Alumni. Uh, and I don't think of any better person to represent what RIT is what RIT Alumni Association is than Professor Dr. Suresh Sawan. I think all of us have been touched by Sawan sir, either as a students or as a mentor. So uh, this is going to be an open interaction with Sawan sir. We will hear from him. We'll ask him any questions. We will talk about our experiences with RIT and Sawan sir. So welcome everybody. And as I said, I can't think of any better person to represent RIT in this forum. Before we go quickly for the formal introduction, although it is kind of unnecessary in my mind, because how do you introduce a person who needs no introduction? But both of my parents have been teachers, so I really appreciate what teachers do. Some of the quotes I love about teaching. This is one profession in my mind that creates all other professions, right? Without teachers, there will be no other profession. They mold not only our minds, not only our thought process, but they are always a good mentors. So, and without teachers, life would obviously would have no class. And apologies for the pun, but it is true, right? Not just classes in classroom, but we will not have any class without the teachers in our life. So quickly, before I go for introduction, I just wanted to show a quick video actually, which our team has prepared. Are you still able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yogi, go ahead. There is no volume. Yogi, volume is there, Manali?
Yogesh sir, can you unmute yourself?
Yogesh, there is no volume.
I think Yogesh, we need to unmute whoever is sharing the screen.
I am also not able to. unmuted. Sir, you are on mute.
Please unmute yourself, Yogi.
Okay, so thanks for that. I think somebody muted me probably, but okay. Let me start it again.
Now it's okay, fine.
Thank you so much, Manali and team for very nice video. I think it is like, it shows the great journey starting from pretty much 94, 95. I was happy to see my own picture in one of those photos, although I myself could not recognize me. But one thing I see is, Sawan sir somehow is able to maintain the youth. He looks same actually. And first question probably I will ask him is, what is mystery behind that? So coming to quick introduction, Sawan sir has been teaching for 31 plus years now. He is, professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Now I think he's HOD for the thermodynamics. He has been doing different roles for student development. He has been Dean Student Development Activities at RIT for 4 years between 2015 and 2019. He's been Dean for Faculty of Engineering and Technology at Shivaji University between 2010 and 2015. I mean, he has taught of all of us. I remember still his thermodynamics lectures when I was studying in RIT. So again, as I said, how do I introduce for someone who don't need an introduction? For several years now, he's also in charge of the alumni. I'm pretty proud to say that he has been he has not only part, but he has a guiding light for Raha since its inceptions almost 1 year ago. So with that quick introduction, I'll just start with the interactive session today. Before we start, actually, hand it over to Sawan sir. I just wanted to take it around if someone want to talk for a minute or so about their experiences with Sawan sir. Mirza, I'll start with Mirza.
Thank you, Yogesh. Actually, all of you know, for our batch at least, for 95, as Yogesh said, sir was teaching thermodynamics to us actually for our division. And in the final year, he was teaching us the CAD-CAM. It was the elective. And at that time, Yogesh, I think you may remember, there was only few computers. And I think on one computer, we have this AutoCAD. And
Yes.
Whole batch was standing there and attending the practicals. And in our batch, actually, this Sachin Jadhav was there actually, our friend. He was knowing little bit actually to draw the circle or to draw the line and all these things. So yes, Sawan sir is always actually in touch with all the present students. He's supporting, he's counseling, mentoring the present students, as well as he has a very good touch with the alumni. And from actually honestly and from bottom of heart, just not a portfolio, he's actually working for the alumni. So as you suggested, we have planned this session today. So I think he is actually the dictionary. Actually, here we can get any information. So anytime if you have any problem in any region, okay, just if you call Sawant sir, he will give. Yes.
It's in encyclopedia.
Yes, encyclopedia. So just ask him. He will give you the means a list of the alumni who are working there and who can help you. So in COVID situation also, when he was getting information, for example, our friend Vaibhav Lokre, he asked about the support in Delhi. He immediately contacted a few of the alumni over there in Delhi, and immediately he got some support. And so actually, sir is also knowing the importance of the network, and he know that network is net worth. And really, actually, he's inspiring us in our activities. He is the one of the member who is present for Raj first to this meeting. For every meeting, actually, for first meeting, we didn't actually send the invitations to the faculty or this, but anyhow he arranged to get that, and he attended that meeting, and since then continuously sir is there. So definitely he is inspiration for all of us to work hard.
Yeah, thanks, Manzoor. And I purposely have stopped the presentation. So I'm look like I'm still presenting. Huh? Okay, so I wanted to stop the presentation so that we can put the video on and make it more interactive. I would like to hand over to Sawant sir to talk about his experiences, and if you would be kind enough to basically start with a little bit of a background. We all know you from once you joined the college, but maybe if you want to talk a little bit about your experiences growing up and your journey till date, that would be really good and inspirational for all of us, sir.
Okay, good evening, and thank you all of you for calling me and showing the videos and sharing my information available with you from the net. And I thank all the task force members and all the members, all the alumni, RIT alumni, for coming here for the interaction with me. Now I joined RIT. At that time it was a College of Engineering and Polytechnic in Sakrade, CEPS, on 7th September 1987, after completion of my graduation from PPIT Budgaon. Before that, I have completed my 1-year industrial training from the Kirloskar Brothers Limited, Kirloskar. Before that, I have completed my diploma from Government Polytechnic, Ratnagiri. And regarding why I am like this, in touch with alumni, because my mentor, my school teacher, I studied in my Jilla Parishad school, Sawantpur, in my village. And at that time, Dahinja Gurji was there. So I'm in touch with that person. Till today, I'm going to his house, meeting there, sitting there for the mentoring purpose. So I get the mentorship from him. Along with that, when I was at diploma, so BK Patil sir was there, and he was the mentor. And again, at present he is the 78. But again, I'm going there, going to him to meet, discuss. He is in the Sangli. Whenever I go to Sangli, I share at least minimum 1 to 1.5 hours to interact with him. And whenever we go there, so we become a refresh from whatever the situation before entering his house. And with a fresh mind, I'll come back to my house and to the RIT whenever in the next day. So I thank to the Dahinja Gurji and all the teams of that Jilla Parishad school. And then I went to the high school, Lucky Vidya Mandir Police, Lucky Junior College. And there also the S.Y. Patil, J.T. Bande, like that. I can give all the names of the faculty members until I'm in touch with them. Some of the faculty members are no more now due to their health problem or etc. But I'm in touch with their family members also. So that is the reason I'm in touch with you all also. So whenever anyone is coming in contact with me, I think that it will be better to remain in touch with each of us. That is my intention. Then after 87, when I joined there, actually I want to do my PG in Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli, and I am unable to get the admission in the first round after completion of the B. So PR Sawant sir, you all know that he is the head of mechanical engineering department at that time. So he's asked me to come to RIT, and if you get the admission, you go to the Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli for the PG. And with that clause, I met the first time in the principal's cabin, M.E. Joglekar sir. And when we go to the RIT, Joglekar sir, B.K. Patil sir, Santpur sir, Abhyankar sir, and all this. And along with that, I thank the management because they are the active and the full support to the faculty members for the development of the RIT. So really, all the management members since starting. So when I joined there, I saw what I saw. So on the construction of that main building, so construction was going on. At that time, the chairman, vice chairman of the sugar factory, they are coming there to see how the work is going on. And when they come there, so if they are available there for one day, full day, so in the afternoon, so they are coming with their tiffin from home, and they are not taking anything from the college. So that is the difference of the management of the RIT or the KES. And I'll not say other thing, but our management is like this. For the benefit of the student, benefit of the society, they are helping by any means. So Shamra Anna and all, I'll not take the name of all the management is like this only. If you see the old photos, so they are there in this with maybe the chairman as well as the vice chairman of the sugar factory. They are coming and they are sitting there on the floor and they are taking the lunch there. That I saw there. That is one thing. Then I got the admission in the Walchand College of Engineering. That there was one scheme. Vocational ME classes were there. So 4 months we were teaching in the class RIT, and 2 months we were going for the Walchand for teaching study purpose. And we have completed near about 18 faculty members from RIT. They joined the PG courses, maybe in the thermal design, production, in the mechanical, then in the civil also structure. So 18 faculty members sponsored by the Joglekar sir. That is the vision of the KES management and the Joglekar sir, that there is a need of the improvement in the qualification of the faculty for the benefit of the current students. And for that, and maybe what is because normally I don't know, you are knowing that Joglekar sir, the people surrounding him, they are calling as a boss. And there is one photo in his cabin. Boss is not always right, but boss is always boss. That is the situation. But whatever the decisions taken by the Joglekar sir, or afterwards, if you go for the future, maybe the in-charge principals or the principals like Joglekar sir, Badwe sir, then now presently Honorable S.S. Kulkarni madam. In between, there is a PR Sawant sir was the in-charge principal as well as the MT Thel sir. So all people, those who have headed the institute, that they work in the line with the Joglekar sir. So that is the reason why all the faculty members become habituated to do the work, whatever the work assigned by the authority or the management, and that to the development of the institute. So intention is the development of the institute. So for that, whatever the things we require, that we are doing. So normally at that time we were traveling by scooter and the Hero Honda. So normally there was an intention of coming from the Islampur to my place, native place, which is 24 kilometers from the RIT. So even though if we reach here at 10:30 in the house, so morning with a regular time we will be there at RIT. So that was the habit that happens due to the support and the support from the Joglekar sir and the management. Now then, in '93, after completion of the PG, there the Joglekar sir, at that time there was an interview for the assistant professorship, and just before 1 week of that interview, N.H. Deshpande sir, who was the head of the automobile engineering department, he left the RIT and he went for joining the one industry. So luckily, I got the opportunity to work as the assistant professorship, got the assistant professorship at automobile engineering department and the head of the automobile engineering department. Since '93 to 2005, I was 12 years, I was the head of automobile engineering department. And during that, ups and downs of the RIT also and the automobile department also. So we have made the intake of the automobile from 60 to 30, then again from 30 to 60, depending upon the situation of the industries. So you are the part of that. So during when you are doing the engineering, that was the situation of industry. So you know that, and you work hard. And that is the reason why you are now at present this, whatever the situation you are there. So hard work might be during your college hours, college years. So we had made some strict decisions might be there from Joglekar sir and we all. So that was the, whatever the decision we had taken, that was the benefit of the society, institute, and the benefit of you all. Because some of you, those who are coming to visit RIT, and if they come here, so they are saying that, sir, at that time you have made like this. So just I'll see that one sentence was there, sir, आपने हमें वहाँ से छुड़ा के लेके आए थे, इसी कारण अभी हम अभी फॉरेन में ऐसा कर रहे हैं. तो अगर उस टाइम, at that time, if something happens and there was some case against him, something might be remarked that may create the problem for your future complete life. And that is the reason why Joglekar sir was very strict. And you are all the students at that time, those who are from the outside Maharashtra also, they are very reluctant to, if any faculty members ask, chalo Joglekar sir ke paas jayenge. So no one dares to come to the, even faculty also, that student, no one comes to the Joglekar sir's cabin. So that was the situation, and that makes us to work hard. And when we are working hard, so we are expecting the hard work from the student also. At that time, that was the situation like that. Then after completion of the, so in 2005, I got the admission for the PhD at NIT Warangal. And management is keen enough to sponsor me under the QIP, Quality Improvement Program scheme of the AICT, by paying the salary with the mutual understanding between this management and myself. And so that was the situation, that was the MOU, and that continues till today. So management is very proactive to support the faculty, those who are interested to go for the higher studies. And that is the reason. So if you are seeing the list of the faculty members at the RIT, maximum doctorate are there in the RIT from, if you see all the colleges from the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. And that makes me, after joining the NIT Warangal in 2006, July 2006, I joined the NIT Warangal for PhD. I was a post bachelor for, at that time, 2.5 years. And it is possible for me to complete it in the December 2008, and I rejoined as 2008. 2 years and 5 months I have completed my PhD, and that is possible due to the support from my family members. And whenever I come to the home, I am visiting the RIT, and there I get the information from the faculty members who support from that. They not only support from that, so I can give the hint that, so my work was in the C programming, and I was stuck with some initialization. So I got the support from the, I got the solution for that from the students of the NIT Warangal, and that of the construction. So that is possible. So in the student hostel. So if you go there, we can get all the information. Yogesh, please inform me that when I have to stop, because till the bell is not ringing, so we are having the practice of continuing it.
No, sir. I think
So I like
it is very interesting. So
because that is the 33 years.
Yeah, and I can relate to your last statement. As I said, my both of parents are teacher, and mom was also a teacher. She was a principal. So yeah, I used to keep a bell at home, but that I won't do today, sir. So please go ahead.
Okay. Here I forgot to inform regarding my family background. My father and mother, they are illiterate. They are not studied anything. What we can say, the anta badar hote. But they are the farmers. They were working in this. But my uncle studied, graduated at that time. He was the sarpanch of our village for the 25 years. One of my uncle, one uncle was the BSc Agri. Second was the Diploma Civil. He worked in the PWD also. So with the support from my uncles, it is possible for me. They were controlling me for the study purpose. And whatever the fact, gurus I got, they were excellent. And they were giving the feedback to my father that he's doing like that, he's doing like that, etc. So my father is asking them, pass झाला ना? बस, okay. So तुम्ही म्हणताय म्हणजे चांगलाच असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. So my father was not knowing anything regarding the study of this, but it is possible due to my family background available. Then I was so lucky that graduation ceremony of the NIT Warangal was arranged in the July 2009, and before completion of the 3 years, I got the PhD certificate given in the convocation of this. That is 11 days before completion of the 3 years. So that is possible due to the my guide was there, so who was younger than me, but he was every day available for doing the work in the lab. So on Saturday and Sunday, normally in the college campus, in the heat transfer lab, the person who is sitting is the SM Sawan, and nearby cabin is there. If that cabin is open, the person is the Dr. C. Guru Rajarao. So that was the situation at that time. So he also helped me a lot for completion of my work. And the students from the Maharashtra, Gujarat, MP, and Bihar, they were the Orissa. They were there. There was a group in the NIT Warangal. There is a state-wise students are there. So we were having the group of 12, and I'm in touch with that 12 students. Those were there at that time, and we are regularly talking with each other. So like that, it is possible. So be in touch with the students. And there is one question from Yogesh regarding that. What is काय रस आहे तुम्ही अजून तसेच दिसतात. So that is the reason remain in touch with the students. And म्हातारा होतच नाही, कारण every time when the fresh the student, those are in the age group of same, means 18 to 21, it is there. So remain the younger. So for that purpose, remain in touch with the students. So that is the reason that what I am doing it. So when I came back, there was a need of the professor in mechanical engineering department. So I applied for that post, and I got selected in the professor in mechanical engineering department for the PG. And due to that, I got the opportunity to get elected in the Shivaji University Kolhapur as a Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. And that why this? Because there were one clause in the revised act, Maharashtra University Act, that those who are doctorate, they can become the member of the Board of Studies in the Shivaji University. And those who are having the experience of PG and teaching and the guide approval, he can become the dean. So luckily I was qualified in that clause, and that is the reason. It means Joglekar sir had made us given the sponsorship in 1987. In 2005, management has given us permission to go for the PhD. And after completion of that, and luckily I have completed within 3 years, I came here. The election was there. The clause also, Maharashtra University Act came in place. And very few people were there, so I got the opportunity. And out of 21 doctorate in the Shivaji University Kolhapur, 7 doctorate from the RIT. That is the reason. And only myself was there who is qualifying that for the PhD, that deanship. So that is the reason. Means what is the where म्हणजे जसं आपण सांगतो कुठं जे बी पेरलं गेलं आणि ते मोठं झाल्यानंतर who got the benefit of that. So that is the reason. Means management and the principals. So after completion of the when after Joglekar sir also Badwe sir or the madam. So whatever the decisions we are taking, the head of the institution are taking, that are the benefit of for the faculty member and the students. And here after that I work as a dean student development for the 4 years, and after completion of that intentionally I asked the management or the principal that I'm interested to work as a professor in charge alumni for the benefit of the alumni, for the development of this activity I can do that. And before that in 2011, so you might be aware that our institute is having the registered alumni association with the charitable commissioner. In 2011, the first batch, Mr. Nazir Sheikh, then Dhananjay Thombre, who is the faculty member at RIT also, and he is the alumni of the RIT also, and the team. They work hard for the registration of the alumni association. In the 2007 to 2010 and 2011, they got the approved from the charitable commissioner, and 2011 onwards, the approved alumni association, registered alumni association is available in 2011. And so when we, since that, whenever the alumni association is formed, every year the intention of that alumni association is for the arranging the alumni get together, alumni meet every year. Maybe at the RIT, maybe at any place, suitable place for the as per the alumni's interests. Then during the discussion, every year we organize the alumni meet at RIT, also at Pune, sometimes in the Mumbai also. In 2016 or 2015 December, Prasad Rajapan and his team, they visited 1987 batch. They visited RIT and the sugar factory for some work related to their company. And when they visited RIT, so what we, during the discussion regarding the alumni get together was, the issue was raised, and they agreed to sponsor the expenses for the alumni get together at Mumbai. And in case in the Goregaon Sports Complex, we organized the alumni get together in the January 2016. Near about 125 alumni were there. 1 or 2 alumni from US also, because they have planned according to that. So normally they are coming in the month of December. They were present for that also. So Menon was there at that time. And Honorable Jayendra Sahib was there. Then Bhagat Dada was there. All the management team was there, and the madam, Dr. S.S. Kulkarni madam was there. We faculty members were there, senior faculty members were there. And the 125 alumni were there. All this alumni meet was sponsored by the Prasad Rajapan. Jing HR is the company of that person. Sorry. And during that discussion, Ravindran was there, who was the BOG member of RIT. He came for that particular meeting. And during the interaction, during that meeting, so what we had decided, instead of arranging the alumni get together at different places, okay, we will form the different chapters of the alumni association, and along with that, we can decide a one-day alumni get together at RIT, so that alumni can visit that RIT, they can see it, interact with the student. And normally according to their discussion, they said that the foundation day, our foundation day is the 1st August. So because 1st August is, other activities are there. So what we have decided, 2nd Saturday of the August is the alumni get together, that we have decided. And accordingly, if you see the next, in 2017, 12th August 2017, 11th August 2018, we have organized the alumni get together. And what we have decided, instead of calling all the alumni, if you call all the alumni, that it becomes a small groups. So instead of that, we have decided that Silver Jubilee batch, we will call the Silver Jubilee batch, those who have completed the 25 years. And they are seniors. Because why seniors? Because when they were there in 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year, so they are in touch with their seniors. Maybe as a part of the hostel or the roommate or the classmate, maybe some other activities during the sports and the cultural activity there. So based on that, we organized that. And in 2019, there was a 94 batch. It was decided. But in the month of August, 10th August was the decided date. And on the 5th August, so all we have faced that heavy rain and the floods. Even it was very difficult for us to reach the RIT. So we have decided to postpone that. And in the month of December 2019, we have conducted that alumni get together up to 14th batch, 94 pass out batch, 94 pass out with seniors. And for the 95, it was decided in the month of August 2020. But due to this corona, that we know. But thanks to corona, that it becomes formation of the RAHA, RIT Alumni Advisory Hub. And it is a continuous, every Saturday we are meeting. That is a really good thing. And what I observed regarding the RAHA, 9:30 means 9:30. There is no 9:31 or 9:32. So that is the correct thing. So that is very, very essential for the organizing such type of the meetings. And continuously 46, maybe 2 were missed during the Diwali and some other activities related to the students. But since last 1 year, we are organizing, that is a really good thing. Now, regarding this becomes related to me. But on the 5th of August, I went to the NIT Warangal for some of the PhD Viva. And when we are coming back, this 94 pass out, Sandeep Galhotra and JVSS Prasad, they were there in Hyderabad. So I visited the Sandeep Galhotra's factory, and then we were moving towards the airport. So JVSS Prasad came to meet us. So interacted with, and immediately we got the message that the flight is cancelled. Flight to the Kolhapur is cancelled due to this heavy rains. So what he made us compulsory to come to his house. Myself and the Dr. M.B. Mandle, we both were there. So we went to his house. We stayed there. And next day by train from the Hyderabad to Solapur, from Solapur to Miraj, we came and then to our house. That was the situation, because very, very tremendous condition was there regarding due to the heavy flood. So this is the one incident that I say that whenever we were about to move towards the hotel, but he said that no, we'll go to my house. आपको कुछ तकलीफ नहीं होगी. And regularly he's in touch with. And what he has done, so as the part of the alumni interaction on this 2016, so what we have decided, we are publishing the alumni newsletter, RIT Communique quarterly. Organization of the expert lectures, but now it becomes a webinars. Previously, expert lectures from the mechanical alumni is coming to the give the expert lecture to the MBA students. Electronics people, they come for the mechanical students, like that it was there. Then mostly the requirement of the alumni is for the industrial visits, then industrial training. Now that is converted as an internship, then the placement. For the placement, alumni is helping like anything. So that helps us. But here I can say what is the use of this industrial internship or the industrial projects. In 1994, there was a one student that I forgot to just I'll say. Abhijit Chakravarti and Harbaksh Manuja. They were my student for the project, and that project is sponsored by the Kirloskar Brothers Limited, Kirloskar. With other two students were there, and that due to that project, what happens? They got selected in that company, and they joined as this. Means in '94, due to the sponsor project, it happens that he got the sponsor, get the job in that cable company. So that was the situation in '94. So, and that intention is there. If the alumni are providing the information regarding the internship, that will be useful, right? For the curriculum development, and mostly nowadays it is very, very essential regarding the mentoring and the counseling. Counseling of the not only students, current students, also the parents of the current students. So that is necessary, and those who are working in this area, industry, and those who have done the very hard work to reach this particular position. So if they are personally interact or the mentor the current students, that will give the very, very good result for the benefit of the society. To the RIT, it is there. Now, in case of the RIT, I have seen the tapri of that Akaram's tapri.
Akaram's tapri.
Yeah, it is there. So till that, whatever the now the capital, it is available. And along with that, the help given by during that in the canteen of the college canteen by the Bharat and the Vilas. Every alumni, those are coming, those are old alumni. Whenever they are coming, their first question is, what about the Bharat and Vilas? Because they help a lot during the night, during the PL, preparatory leave, before exam, and before going to their home. So this type of the interaction was there, and interaction among the students of all the batches, all the branches. Us time aisa nahi tha, this is from automotive, this is from mechanical, this is from civil. So all were in the group, and that is a really good thing. Because I was there. Okay, okay, I'll take 1 minute only. Am I right?
Yeah, sir. Everyone is requesting if you can put on the video too. That would be really good.
Okay.
And talking about the all branches collaboratively working, I have one example. Probably I'm not sure which I should be telling in front of you or not, but another good example is glass tracing.
Yeah. That now
I think everyone knows that.
I was there in the hostel Chanakya, room number 2. Myself and the Hirlikar sir were there in that one room, and we were knowing that kaun se room mein kya chal raha hai.
I know.
Because we work with under the guidance of the Joglikar sir. Joglikar sir को मालूम रहता था कि हर एक फैकल्टी क्या कर रहा है कॉलेज से घर जाने के बाद. So for that he is making compulsory to involve them in the day-to-day activity. उसके कारण हम तैयार हो गए. So इसीलिए जो students and mostly not localite but those who are outside the Maharashtra, वो क्या करते थे, इसीलिए उनके साथ कांटेक्ट बहुत अच्छे हैं हमारे.
Actually, Amit, go ahead.
Yeah, I will take a opportunity to kind of give a couple of examples of when I was in the college, examples, or even after. Okay, so I'll give one example of only recent one. Okay, so how much charisma that Sawant sir had on us as students and as an alumni. Okay, so only recently when we were doing a event for overseas education, I had to call on a couple of friends in UK to, hey, we need your help and we're doing this event and can you show up? So first obvious answer was, nahi yaar, main bahut busy hu, abhi kahan time milega. Then I knew what I needed to do. All I had to tell, and I'll tell the names here. We had Siju there, we had Alvin there. I was talking with Ashutosh More and a couple more people like that. So all I have to tell them, look, if you don't say yes to me right now, I'm going to have Sawant sir calling you. Okay. So the next was, अरे बता ना था ना कि Sawant sir भी involved है. So that's all it was needed to use your name after 20 years away from the college to get everybody just onboarded just by one sentence. And to the reason to say this is it's not only that the respect, but it's actually combination of respect, the combination of, we say that आदरासह भय ज्याला म्हणतात ना. So it's essentially the fear that comes with the respect, and something that students will do just for the name of it. You don't need anything more. Just tell Sawan sir's name and it would go forward. So that's one example. And second example I want to give from my studentship. We were in trouble, and sir knows this really well. Some fights with fellow students and whatnot, right? So all it was needed is Sawan sir to raise his eyes and look at us. That's all. This all it was needed to stop everything. He doesn't have to say a word to anybody. He needs to be there on all he is there is, oh, Sawan sir is there. He's going to be resolved in 30 seconds. And he gave a great example of Akaram's Tapri, right? So some of our students, he couldn't find us, right? And nobody would tell. Students won't tell where these guys are. All Sawan sir has to say is go find Patil from Akaram's Tapri. And he knows exactly where I would be. And he knows that if Sawan sir is calling, he's going to show up. It's not happening that people won't come back saying he's not there, right? So that's a tremendous difference, sir, you had in our lives. And it's really a pleasure to even listening to you for 1 hour today, talking about your background, where you come from. We really didn't know that background at that time. But and being from mechanical at the time, and probably third year, second year, I can't exactly remember. But you didn't teach us any subjects yet. Okay, so that just elevated as far as the respect is concerned when you started teaching us. No, you never had to teach a subject, and it was more from both sides, right? So when we did really well in cricket match, you were the first one to show up there to say, and I saw Sharad Kumbar sir was here.
Yeah,
In the Rotaract clubs, he was an umpire, and he know how difficult it was. So Sawan sir was the first one to show up there and say that, hey, great job, guys. You played really well. From first year to winning the trophy, or final year to lose the trophy. Either way, he was the first one to show up and pat on the back, or have that look on the face that to say, okay, you guys need to shut up and get back to business kind of look. So we really appreciate that, Sawan sir. Even after 21 years, you have that tremendous impact that you have made on every student that came through, irrespective of which branch, irrespective of background. Doesn't matter it was OMS out of Maharashtra or local. We knew that you were coming up and down every day. You're not in the hostel every day. But even when you are not in the hostel, just knowing, look, Sawan sir is going to be there, that was good enough for us to go and pick up what we need to pick up. So all I wanted to do is thank you for everything that you have put in as an impact for us. And I'm sure that now other alumni will also give some good examples around it. So everybody has that experience, Sawan sir, and I really want to make sure we don't really take time to say thank you or recognize it. Today, I want to really just put up my hand and say thank you, sir, for being there for us.
Hey, thanks, Amit, for sharing those, right? Just to add to it, I remember when I was there, me and couple other friends, Anirudh Kulkarni was one of them. We used to do mimicry of lot of professor, but I don't remember.
We were there.
Sawan sir, I think that other yukta bhitiche tu म्हणालास. I think that was probably the reason for that. Thanks for sharing that, and
Yogi, I think Pramod Lad was supposed to tell something.
Right, I was actually going to kind of volunteer Pramod Lad next. So Ramesh, me too. And I know Pramod is from nearby place, from Kundal, not very far from Palus, and lot of other in the same area. So Pramod, if you want to talk, it will be really welcome.
I think
he left there.
Oh, he was there a couple minutes ago. I was actually planning to ask him to, talk about after Amit is done. I know Kunal is there too. So Kunal, I'm just picking up people from my batch because.
Yogesh, I would just say that please, just like me, I know that every one of us have some experience with Sawan sir. Just unmute yourself and say it out.
Yeah. Or we will ask Sawan sir to call you and take your
No, I'll not call. Actually, what happens?
Vikram is there. I think he has something to say.
Who?
Vikram Korpade.
Yeah. Vikram.
Hi,
People
sir.
are more comfortable. Yeah, hi. Go ahead.
I just posted in a chat box that you have given us you have taken example, a great example, and I must say the people are rock solid inside out. Those who talk with the persons of all age groups on equal basis, particularly. So the discussion is very important with all age groups, and those people are very good and they live very good life. Great work, sir.
Now, okay, what I want to say, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, regarding with one example I mentioned, so what is the benefit of the alumni? That I'm having the number of examples. So in 2003, means actually when Joglekar was there in 1995, at that time we applied for the NBA accreditation. So this was the concept first time launched by the AICT. And in the Shivaji University area, ours was the first college who applied for the MBA by paying the 20,000 per course, per program fee. 80,000 was there. There are 4 courses, 4 programs were there. And we were preparing for that. And actually the committee came in the 2004. At that time, I was a head of automobile engineering department. And you know that at that time, mechanical was the top, civil, then electronics, and the automobile was the last department. The preference was given. But really, I thank the alumni and the students at that time. They helped me a lot. To the RIT also, that regarding the preparation for the MBA activity and the interaction of the students with the MBA expert committee. And really what they said, the MBA committee said that your students are excellent. In 2004, I know that Vinay Gupta is in now Bangalore in some of the company. So we are in touch with each other. So they were doing the project at ARA in 2004, 2003-4. ARA sponsored project was there. And the explanation regarding the project that made the expert committee happy. They said that your students are excellent in the academics. So, means industry sponsor project since 94, that was one example. To 2004, this was the example. And in 2000, there's one Vishnu Patade who helped us a lot. In 2002, we started Babu, SA India Collegiate Club. Actually, during his project, there was a discussion regarding we have worked a little bit on the hydrogen, but there was a problem of the finance at that time. There was not funding also. But the same thing, one of the company they are working now. Last year there was one news regarding that, and he immediately shared to me, said that, sir, at that time we were talking regarding this, and now this company is doing this. Since 2002 we were talking about that, and now after 18 years that is coming in the market. So such type of the students were there. And SAE Collegiate Club, why I'm informing this, because this helped us to get the accreditation in 2003 first time to all the departments, maybe as a part of all the college. So that happens. But when I visited at that time he was there in the Mahindra & Mahindra and working under with he was directly reporting to the R.P. Sharma. Those who are having the automobile engineering elective, they might be knowing the author of the book, R.P. Sharma, I think. So R.P. Sharma came to RIT for inaugurating the SAE India Collegiate Club. And that was this point when we said to the expert committee of the NBA that R.P. Sharma came here for the inaugurating this. They said that R.P. Sharma is coming to the RIT, and the expert was from the NIT Jaipur. And in the month of same year, in the month of October, there's an international conference at NIT Jaipur, and for that, that expert was the convener of that, coordinator of that particular conference, and he wants the RP Sharma as a keynote speaker for that, and he was unable to get it. So, due to the alumni, we are able to bring the RP Sharma, and due to the RP Sharma, that help us to inform that to the committee expert that RIT is like this. The person like RP Sharma is coming. That made us to get the accreditation. So these are the some small points, but that really matters for the benefit of the institute, benefit of the faculty. Now here, what I want to say something regarding that. Maybe during your college hours, college days, there might be something happen that yes sir, but that might be the some reason for that. What I said regarding that, if anything happens with you in your career, maybe आपण जसं म्हणतो ना एखादी केस रेड मार्क सारखा पडला, तर that becomes very difficult for you to remove it. And that is the reason why we are making compulsory for you. आता जोगळेकर सरांना हॉस्टेलच्या गेटच्या बाहेरच्या बाजूला जेलर म्हणून तुम्ही चित्र काढलेलं ते आहे, दॅट वॉज देअर, बट दॅट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ द यू ऑल ओनली. म्हणजे काही जे केलं असेल काही ज्या गोष्टी, सो सम ऑफ यू आर व्हेन इंडिव्हिज्युअली यू आर कमिंग दॅट आपने हमें हमारा कान ऐसा पकड़ा था इसलिए हो, एंड why I'm knowing you by name, that was the habit of me. My habit is that I'm taking the attendance by name, and that helps me to remember your name. That helps us. And there are a number of things are there. So visits to Auto Expo, then MTEX. Every year we are going to the Delhi for the Pragati Maidan. And even in 1996, when we were coming from the Delhi to on the Karat railway station, so when we were visiting, when we came back from the Auto Expo, and we came from the Goa Express, and we just changed the platform. And on the second platform, Honorable Jayendra Patil Sahib was there. So we said that we are from the RIT and these are the students. Immediately, there was a time for coming the Mahalakshmi Express, and he asked the questions to the students. What are the new vehicles are coming? What are things that you have done? And he got the leaflets from that, and he was searching there. We were there for 15 minutes, and when the Mahalakshmi Express came, he went to Mumbai. So such type of the management is there. And regarding the principal and the faculty members, it is very, very enthusiastic that they are forcing the people to do that, and all the faculty members, they are very, very excellent. And now what is happening, all the alumni, they are instructing their son or the daughter to take the admission at the RIT, so what is my suggestion to you, that so whatever your friends are there, so they can think of opting the admission at the RIT for the UG level, where the PG and the PhD also, those are interested for the PhD, they can think of that. We all are here to help you, whereas the seed funding arrangement is there. NBA accredited, all the departments are there. So we are in the PG admissions. So there is a sponsor category, it is there. And in case of the sponsor category, we will help you to complete that with the help of the whatever the existing system it is there. So really, you can think of your colleagues or your persons those are in touch with you for the joining the RIT for the PG programs also. Anything? So,
thank you so much. Thank you so much,
sir.
I think this was.
Sir, I want to.
Yeah, Manali, go ahead. Yeah.
Manali, go ahead.
I know that session is going to end, and I'm just grabbing the opportunity because
No, go
I'm
ahead.
the very good example that the Savancer influence was beyond the departments and beyond the background, because I came from computer science and still I'm very close to him. I remember that he has become a Dean Student Development Activities, luckily for us, and I had got many opportunities to arrange many events with him, even after being university representative. So
go ahead, Manali.
And I also remember that he was very cautious about that. Don't lose focus on the academics while doing other activities. We had just started the club called Vivek Vahini, and he helped us actually to expand our networking and getting the alumni contacts for the club and the speakers. But at the end of the semester, he always used to ask, what is your CPI? And if it is below 6 or 7, then you had to listen a full lecture. And so I was taking care that it never comes below 8, and so I was in the safe side, and I never got a chance to look at his angry side. So he was like, I was very dear to him, and he was always the first to show up, and even after the graduation, even if he get to know that I have achieved something, I have done something, he always calls and congratulate, and it's very inspiring to us. And I personally believe that he's a person who believes in becoming a good person than becoming only engineer. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
मनाली आणि योगी काय माहितीये का, मला आठवत नाही की सावंत सर कधी चिडले असतील किंवा रागावले असतील. म्हणजे त्यांनी शेअर करावं, जर एका दुसरा चिडला असेल तुम्ही तर सांगा, म्हणजे आम्हाला कळेल तुम्ही चिडला होता.
गरज नव्हती रे चिडायची. जसं अमित म्हणाला ना की फक्त असं त्यांनी डोळे थोडे वर करून बघितलं की तेवढं फोडायचं.
तसं पण त्यांनी कधी दादागिरी केली नाही म्हणा, आम्ही तरी कधी ऐकवत नाही.
तब्येत नव्हती दादागिरी करण्यासारखी तब्येत नव्हती. फक्त कसं व्हायचं, नावानं बोलवलं की जरा ग्रुपमध्ये कंट्रोल करायचं असेल तर नावानं हाक मारली की सगळे जर बाकी
कंट्रोल येते. हा म्हणजे ते मेक होती म्हणा.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sakshi want to.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to say something. Firstly, I have immense respect for Suresh Samant sir, not just because he is a faculty, but I think as a person he is very kind and always a happy person, carrying a smile on his face. And I think we as students, whenever we have any kind of issue, we always make sure that we approach to Suresh Samant sir, because even though the issue is not related to his field, but due to his strong network, we know that at least he'll give the contact of 5 to 6 persons who are working in that particular field. And apart from it, I think the dedication towards his work and the knowledge he's having, it's really great. And I think he's one of the versatile faculty in our college, especially in our department. And his enthusiasm, his dedication, it always motivates the young generation like us. And if I'm not wrong, I think Savant sir, you were the first person who told me about Raha, and I was quite influenced by it, and that's how I became a member of Raha family. So thank you for everything, sir, for being so generous and for always being there whenever we are in need, whenever we are facing any kind of issue. So thanks.
Thank you.
So thanks.
Sachin here.
Yes, Sachin, go ahead.
5 minutes over.
Okay, sorry. Yes, just I want to express a very thanks of what my last maybe opinion. Actually, Savant sir, though we are not made, but we are in constant touch in the past last 2 years for various activities that are going, also some industrial trainings or some PhD programs or the things where I can support him. And just one story or one kissa, just I will like to tell here. When I was in the first year, I was staying in a hostel and there was a big mess. The ragging was going on that time, and many of the students from UP, Bihar, they were, you can say, the big raggers, and the kind of ragging they were taking. And Savant sir is known to one of my relative in Palus. So anyhow, this information went to my relative that the ragging is going on, and पर्टिक्युलरली तालमीतला असल्यामुळे त्यांनी लोक वगैरे आणून कॉलेजवरती राडा झाला होता थोडासा. त्यावेळी मला सावंत सर आणि रघु कुलकर्णी सर होते, त्यांनी खूप सपोर्ट केला. जोगळेकर सर वगैरे होते आणि पूर्ण ती बाजू ऐकून घेतल्यानंतर जोगळेकर सरांनी सगळे जे सिनियर्स होते त्यांना एक पनिशमेंट दिली की सगळ्या ज्युनियर लोकांना पार्टी द्यायची तुम्ही. आणि त्यावेळी एक सावंत सरांनी एक ह्युमन बिईंग म्हणून किंवा जे काही रॅगिंग वगैरे जे काही प्रकार होत होते तर त्याच्यानंतर ते थांबायला बऱ्यापैकी मदत झाली. तर आता सावंत सरांना तो किस्सा लक्षात आहे का नाही माहित नाही मला 25 वर्षापूर्वीचा, पण दॅट वॉज अ व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग मॉरल सपोर्ट आय कुड.
नॉर्मली थोडंसं बोल म्हणजे आय वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र स्टुडंट्स ऑल्सो अँड द OMS स्टुडंट्स ऑल्सो. आता OMS वाले जरा थोडेसे दे आर एक्सपर्ट इन द अदर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज, परंतु त्यांच्या जवळ गेलं तर ते दे आर व्हेरी म्हणजे सपोर्टिव्ह आहेत, कोऑपरेटिव्ह आहेत आणि महत्वाचं म्हणजे ते ऐकतात. and how to give the respect to the everyone. म्हणजे भैयाने बोलाय आहे तर त्याला नो एक्सक्यूज. भैयाने बोलाय म्हणजे बोलाय अगदी ते मात्र त्यांच्यावरती लक्ष ठेवायला लागायचं. व्यंकटेश असला तर त्या व्यंकटेशच्या कमरेला बाबा चेन असते, सायकलची चेन असते, हे थोडस लक्षात ठेवायला. म्हणजे असं थोडस ते तिथे गेले काय करायचं, अगोदर कमरेला हात घालायचा, ती चालू काढून घ्यायची म्हणजे मग काय
पण त्या काळात जरा राडे होते जास्त बरं का सचिन, चालते आठवतंय मलाही.
परंतु त्यातल्या
सावंत सरांनी आणि रघु कुलकर्णी सरांनी खूप हेल्प केली त्यावेळी आणि मला माहित नव्हता हा विषय सगळा जो झाला तो. हा थोडा परस्पर झाला होता माझ्या विषय, त्यामुळे
ते थोडं दोन्हीकडनं असल्यामुळे
दॅट वॉज आय विल से द व्हेरी हो
योगेश मॅम क्लोज करूया आपण.
Yeah. Thanks. So thanks everyone for joining and specifically सावंत सरांना थँक्स म्हणायची पण मला वाटतं थँक्स म्हणायला पाहिजे की नाही, कारण ही इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर फॅमिली. पण थँक्स फॉर व्हेरी इन्स्पिरेशनल अनेक्डोट्स अँड युअर जर्नी सो फार. Thanks everyone for joining. So with that I will just wish everyone good night and stay safe, take care, and we'll see you on next Saturday. Thank you.
Yeah, we are having Ra member meeting now immediately. Thanks.
Okay, take care.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you.